Hi friends, this is Suzy, your gaming guru. It is May 17th, 2026. I'm here for my Wordle and Quordle of the day and for World Baking Day. I feel like it's a good day to bake today. I think I'm going to do that. I have the house to myself for a while. I'm going to bake up something fantastic. So I'm going to use the word bakes, which you know I don't like to end in an S, but sometimes I do. And it reminds me of, while I'm baking today, I'm going to watch the British baking show because they always talk about the different bakes and the tray bakes and things like that. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think it is a day to bake because look at that. I got a B and I got it placed. And then we have an A and it doesn't go there. So I'm thinking maybe L or R. So A could be here, here, or here. And I'm going to do R, S, T, L, N, E. Other vowels, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So I definitely want to get the R and the L in there somehow. Lorty. Troin. Oh, I could do train. I could do train, and that'll tell me where the A is, because I think that's where the A is. Train. Oh, that's a good one. Okay. Yeah, I put the A up there instead of down here, and I want to find out where that A is. So T, we haven't used. R, we haven't used. A in a new spot. I, we haven't used. N, we haven't used. Oh, yeah, that's a good scout word. Oh, that's an awful scout word. What? Well, we take that off. Wow, we went through a lot with that one. What in the world? Okay, is it gonna have... Oh, man. Oh, I didn't get the L! How did I not get the L? Maybe it's... Oh, it can't be an LLY, because then where would we put the A? I can't work in here now. It's not letting me... Oh, there we go. Alright. Ah, stink. I didn't put in the L. I should have done trail. I should have done trail instead of train. Alright, you live, you learn. I got rid of the I as well. Yule. A at the end. What is that going to be? I think I just need more letters. I don't... What is that going to be? What can we do with what's here? We could do... Plow. P-L-O-U... P-L-O-U-G-H. Oh, no, because that's 6 letters. No wonder my tongue was having a hard time getting that all out. I can't do that. That's 6 letters. I need an L in there. All right. So what goes well with an L? We could do a P or a G or an F or a C. And then our vowels, U. Why O-U? What about, we need that L. We still need the L. Oops. We still need the L. What about bulgy? Oh, gosh, we already have the B. I need that L. What about... What about I skip all of this and I just go with... What about Logi? Didn't think so. Kaji? No, because then I get rid of the L. Oh, man. And I still don't know where the A is going to go, but I need more consonants to find that out. Why am I attached to the L? Why? Because I want to be attached to it, because I think it's going to help. And then I've got to find out vowels. Maybe it's a... No, because the A is really excluded to here or here. So we need an O or a U. Or a Y. I don't know that I need the Y. What about... I want to do awful, but we know the A can't go there. Wouldn't it be great if I didn't already have that so I could exclude it in another place? Sorry this is taking so long, folks. What about CH? What about the word child? Yes, I know. I've already used an I and it's not there. But chold isn't a word. And chold isn't a word. And it might give me some help here. What about... Oh, clump. Hey. Let's do clump. Or clump. Maybe clump. I think O goes better with an A where that is. Okay, let's take a look at this. I think I found a scat word. C-L-O-M-P. Should I try to figure out what this is that starts with a B and ends or close to ends with an A? I'm not close to that yet. I'm going to try clump and hope it gives me something. It gave me something. It just gave me an L. Oh my goodness. It also tells me that... Oh man, what is this? Well, at least I got that L. And I took out the O. So we have a U or a Y left. I'm going to bring the Y back in because we need to consider everything. Let's take this out. Let's say the L is going to go here, here, or here. If I put the A here and the L here, what would go there? Boolad. Boolav. Boolax. Boolaz. I think I got it. I think I got it. Bylaw? Could it be? Now, I didn't also try the A here. I was going to do that next because I didn't think I was going to be able to find anything here. But if we stick the Y in there, I have to try that. We have not tried the Y, right? Okay, so we know the B goes here. We're going to try the Y, and we're going to try it there. Unusual placement, which makes sense because we're having a hard time with this. And then the L. We know there's an L. That's as good a spot as any for an L to be. The A has to go here or at the end. I was thinking at the end, but I just did this because it was that first position, trying to put these in their first positions. And we have not tried the W. Okay, cross your fingers, people. This would be an achievement. This is an achievement. I feel good about this one. I think this one will have some people stumped, and it certainly had me conflicted for a long time. Bylaw. Very unusual. I'm hoping that people start with a Y word and then realize that it can't be placed at the end. That's always a big help. Okay, I'm rooting for you guys. I thought this one was pretty difficult. All right, so I'm going to move over to Quordle. I'm going to put in fishy, budge, clown, tramp. Whine. I'm going to stop whining about that last thing. W-H-I-N-E. It can work. It does work. We've got an A here, an E here, and just an N. We've got, oh, greed. G-R-E-E-D. That makes sense because the E doesn't go there, but 2 can go there, so All right, greed. That gives us an E here. Tenet. T-E-N-E-T. Tenet. Okay, and then A and E and an N that's going to go here or here. So let's put this where it belongs. N is going to go here or here. And then, oh, we're missing our Q, J, K, Z, X, V. Must have cleared them out on accident. So, knave. Ha, 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 ha. K-N-A-V-E. It's a good shot. It's a very good shot. Knave. We had to pull 2 from here. Gosh, they're being tricky with the word games today. That is it for me. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those below. The more I think about it with Wordle, maybe it won't be so hard because to me, what helped me is everything that was excluded. Sometimes excluding things is the best way to figure out what it actually is. So I'm hoping it's not going to be too hard for everybody. I'm hoping it won't throw you into fits like it did me. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.